A high-quality cage does more than just shield the magnesium alloy body from scratches. It provides the essential mounting points required for external monitors, wireless follow-focus systems, and high-fidelity microphones. Here we have best cages for Sony a7v.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Smallrig Half Cage. The Smallrig Half Cage is the definitive choice for filmmakers who prefer a lightweight setup while maintaining the camera's original ergonomic grip. This cage is specifically designed to wrap around the top, bottom, and left side of the Sony a7v, leaving the right-hand grip completely unobstructed for a more natural handheld experience. Built from high-strength aluminum alloy, it features a dual-point locking system that utilizes both the bottom tripod screw and the camera's shoulder strap eyelet to prevent twisting during high-intensity movement. The integrated Arca Swiss quick-release plate at the base allows for instantaneous transitions between handheld shooting and DJI RS series gimbals or professional tripods. Despite its minimalist footprint, it offers a wealth of expansion options, including multiple 1x4 inches -20 threads and airy 3x8 inches 16 locating holes for mounting articulating arms or side handles. On number 2, we have Niceyrig Easy Access Cage. Innovation in thermal management and accessibility is the hallmark of the Niceyrig Easy Access Cage, which features a distinctive upper half-open architecture. The front of the cage features an anti-twist design with excellent heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance while keeping your device cool. Rubber pads on the bottom and inner sides help prevent scratches and protect your equipment during use. Equipped with 1x4-inch and air-eye locating holes, along with a top cold shoe mount, the cage allows easy attachment of accessories such as microphones, lights, or monitors for a versatile and professional setup. Its form-fitting design includes built-in rubber pads to prevent the camera from slipping or scratching, and the precision cutouts ensure the battery door and port covers remain fully functional at all times. On number 3, we have Smallrig Basic Cage Kit. For creators who want a production-ready solution straight out of the box, the Smallrig Basic Cage Kit offers a comprehensive package that enhances both protection and handling. This kit includes a full form-fitting cage, an ergonomic air-locating top handle, and a dedicated HDMI cable clamp. Portable handheld kit designed for effortless low-angle shooting, giving you greater flexibility and creative control. Triple-point locking structure enhances stability and prevents twisting during handheld use. The hinged arm at the battery door is contoured to match the camera's curve, improving grip comfort without interfering with battery access. Multiple mounting options include 1x4 inches -20 threaded holes, airy 3x8 inches 16 locating holes, cold shoe mounts, NATO rails, and a QD socket, supporting handles, microphones, LED lights, monitors, and more. An integrated HDMI cable clamp secures the cable, protects the interface, and ensures stable, reliable signal transmission during shooting. So these are some of the best cages to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.